I'm here today with the Kodak Mini 2 Retro Portable Photo Printer, and I'm eager to test this out because I want to create, or have my son create, a cool photo book. Just so I wanted to see how easy this is to use. So let's see if we can do an unboxing and then immediately start printing from this. So that would be pretty cool. It looks very retro. They weren't kidding with the retro look. And then we have these on the sides here. Always nice. They loosened it a bit for us, so that's pretty cool. And it stuck to my hands. And here's the retro style printer. So cool. This is where the stuff comes out, and then let's see if this will turn on right out of the box. Oh yes, it does. It has a charge. So that's nice. It has a USB-C charging port, so that's cool as well. And it looks really, really nice. Let's see how this will open up. Can we just open this up? Here. Oh, it opens up from the side. Oh, and then here it has like the cartridge that goes in there. So it's a little bit different from other portable printers I've tested. But still very, very nice and easy to use. Okay, so let's see what else we have in the box. We have a user guide for the Kodak instant printer, and a thank you and sign up page for Amazon. So they really went all in on this, and then a little USB A to C charging cable. There's the app. You can search that for Kodak photo printer and then start. You can use this via Bluetooth, so that's pretty easy. You don't need to connect this to the Wi-Fi or anything. Okay, so don't need to use an account or anything. That's nice that I can just use the app. Then let's see, printer connection. It immediately finds it, so that's pretty nice. Oh, cool. So it immediately sees it's the Mini 2 Retro there. So I have that in the app. It has low battery. And there's a firmware update. So we can't do anything else without that. So let's charge that for a bit and then come back. Okay, so now that I've connected it to my charger and I've charged it just a bit, you can see it in the app here. So that's pretty cool, and I can go through like my photo album, or you can take a photo from your camera right within the app, but well, I already have a photo that I can use. I want to use this anime type of photo. You can click edit and print, and with this software it's the same software as with other Kodak print solutions. You can print or press edit here on the side. You have some other options here. You can do filters, that sort of thing. You can do a collage, so that's cool as well. So you can set like multiple pictures on one of these images, but well, I think it's a little bit too small to do that, but you could if you wanted to. But I think my son is going to do a collage in his photo book itself, and then you can do a couple of these different stickers. You can add those if you really like that, do some editing right within this app before you print. So that's nice. I think my son will play around with that for his photo album and then do some stickering along the sides as well. If you're happy with it, just click print here and then it will start printing. So here I have the photo, and then here it should come right out. The first image that we have. So I like that they put everything in here so you can immediately start printing. It's going back and forth and doing like these different color schemes on there. So it's first doing yellow and then red, and then it comes back with a full color scheme. I don't know exactly how that works, but it's beautiful to see that it can go round and round in there. I think it's going back one more time, yeah. Right in the app. And then you can see how far along it is in the app as well. Okay, cool. So there it is. Let's see what the quality here is of the image. So it's not completely portrait. So it's cut off a little bit around the edges there. So that's not completely portrait. That's okay. It's very cool. It has these nice colors. I think that worked out really, really well. You can easily rip this off here. And then let's see if this is a sticker. No, I don't think that it is. It's not a sticker, this one. But very cool. I really like the colors here. It's very nice. It's glossy. It really looks like just a normal photo that you can instantly print at home. And in such a small form factor. So it looks cool. The Instant Retro 2, Mini Retro 2. It has nice images, and I hope this video has helped you to show what is possible in just one unboxing video, and immediately set this up and printing these. So I hope this video has helped you make your choice.